na. Gusto mo liga? Ha? Liga? Oh, he froze. Oh. When he hear the word shower. Gusto mo liga? Ha? Liga? Suddenly froze, Shush. You're so naughty. I told you not to lick the cushion, no? It's not ours. You're so kulit, When I said ligo, you suddenly froze, Look at look at the legs, it's up. Liga. Masyado na yan. Sobrang, kulit. Told you stop licking the cushion. Sobra na yan. You're so kulit. If you ever lick the cushion again, I will give you a shower. You will take a shower, sige. You like that? So you better behave. When mommy said no, stop. Stop doing it. Okay? Look at the lips. Ay, shush. He's relaxed now. Just kidding. You will not take a shower today because you just had your shower like a week ago. See you, Daddy. Have a safe flight. Have a safe travel. Love you.